With altcoins catching on fire, everybody wants to know what they should buy now. Now, one of the ways that you could do that is look at the most searched altcoins. And we're going to be taking a look at some of those in the video today, but first, understand what is happening right now. Altcoins are near all-time highs in terms of overall search volume, and Google expects them to explode in the coming week and really double the current sentiment, double the current search volume, potentially doubling the current prices. Now, yes, today we're experiencing a little bit of a pullback. If this would ever load here, we'll be able to see that some of the prices for cryptocurrencies are coming down today. The Fear and Greed Index is sitting at a level of 66, and Bitcoin is back down to 115,800, 115,900, and altcoin season is sitting at a level of 41. Now, it has tried to tick up above 50. It keeps getting rejected at that resistance level, but nonetheless, things are beginning. So with that, I want to take a look at some of the most searched altcoin this week. They are Unilabs, Solana, and Pepe dominating the trends. But those are not the only ones with real potential. So let's discuss it. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. Now, we're going to go on down the list here. I'm not going to spend too much time because I truly do believe any of these altcoins is a good opportunity. Now, over the last hour, we have begun to tick back up, but today is very red. You've got XRP down 5%, Ethereum's down 2%, Solana's down 5% on the day today, Dogecoin down 5, almost 6%. But things are starting to move back up. As you can see in the left-hand side of the screen here, the last 1 hour is green right now. But I am loading up on everything, right? I believe a very diverse approach to this bull market is one of the best approaches. So yes, I own Ethereum, XRP, BNB, Solana, USDC, USDT, Dogecoin, Tron, no Cardano. So I basically own, top 10 altcoins out there. And with that, I want to take a look at this because I own some of these here as well. So Solana price analysis. Solana trades at about $185 with a 6% dip. It says the current Solana price marks an 11% pullback from its previous high of the $203 to $197 price zone. Solana's technical indicators hint towards a bullish trend, with the RSI value still sitting at neutral around 60. And the moving averages aligning upwards. Traders are curious about the Solana price path as the altcoin never ceases to amuse traders. Savvy traders view this dip as an opportunity to buy Solana tokens at a lower price. And me as well. Guys, with Solana peaking out around $300 and the bull market nowhere near saturated, I believe that Solana has a lot of room to go. Now, Pepe breaking out of its falling wedge pattern. It says Pepe continues to provide high rewards to its traders. It's trading at about 1256 points per coin with an intraday decline of 7%. Pepe coin shows signs of a rebound with massive trading volume spikes of over 37%. The active addresses on Pepe coin have also increased by 3,900 new addresses in the previous week, signaling an expanding retail interest. And that is very important because as altcoin search volume rises, as how to buy cryptocurrency, do I have that on here? I do not have that on here. How to buy crypto search volume is increasing as well. So this is a very strong sign, guys, that not only are new traders jumping in, but we can actually expect to see more meme coin buys and more altcoin buys. So with that, I am buying tokens like Token 6900. Token 6900 is a pure meme coin. Now, they're not promising any utility. They're promising to be a meme. And you know what? During times of speculation, during times of bull market extreme greed, pure meme coins do the best. So I've bought into Token 6900 on 3 separate occasions. 13 hours and 6 minutes from now, the price is going to rise again. These guys have already raised $1,136,000, and they've got a hard cap of just $5 million. So pay attention to that. This token pre-sale could end at any time. If you're interested in jumping in, you're going to click Buy with Crypto, Buy with Card, connect your wallet. Now, I like to connect via Best Wallet or Trust Wallet. Completely up to you. If you guys need to download Best Wallet, you get a link for it down there in the description. But as you'll be able to see scrolling through the website, very, very memeable. These guys are not offering any utility, but they are taking advantage of the success of SPX 6900. Guys, SPX 6900 is sitting at $1.70 right now. When it first launched, it was 3 zeros and a 1776. Check this out. That's insane how far and how much this has grown over the last couple of years. Literally making millionaires with, I believe, like a 65 million% return. Absolutely insane growth. And it did it because it's a meme coin. Guys, sometimes things just don't have to make sense. And you know what? That's okay with me. I understand the speculative nature of the crypto market. I understand how speculative tokens like token 6900 are. But I also understand that it doesn't have to make sense for prices to rise. So that's why I continue to diversify. That's why I continue to stack up. If you guys are interested in any of it, you got links for everything down in the description. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.